Welcome back to another Cape Coral, Fort Myers, and Southwest Florida online tour. Today I'm coming from Southeast Cape Coral, and I have this beautiful home here to show you. Let me tell you a little bit about it. It has approximately 2,179 square feet under air. It has 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, beautiful pool, and it's Gulf access. So let me not take too much of your time, and let's go ahead and take a look at this beautiful home. As you come in, you're welcomed with this beautiful door. We're in. From this view here, you could have your dining room here. Check out the nice floors, wood floors. And then out there, you have the beautiful view of the pool and your Gulf access canal. So first, let's go on this side of the home here. Actually, your master bedroom is located on this side here. But first, let's look at this area here. Okay. So look at this beautiful area here that you can see the house is beautiful decorated. You have your nice area here to sit down, play cards, have your breakfast, enjoy your friends. On this side over here, you have your family room area with a view of the canal. The blinds are kind of halfway closed, so you can't visualize it, but let me get closer, maybe you can see it better if I get closer to it. So you have the view of the canal right there. I don't know if the camera did any justice, but right now here's the other angle for this very big room. And you also have another slider that leads out there to the pool. Okay, now let's continue here with the kitchen. We'll go outside, as you know, we'll go around the house, we'll do the master bedroom, and then we'll go outside and take a look at the pool and the canal. So here we're in the kitchen. Very nice kitchen. Stainless steel appliances. What I like is the location of the sink. It's right in the middle of where everything's happening. You can see the pool, you can see the lanai outside, and if you have the blinds open, you'll be able to see the Gulf access canal. So it's in a very nice location. This island here. We're here to take a look at the refrigerator. Then over here, you got your laundry room with your nice sink, plenty of cabinets. There's your iron. And over here you have a closet. And then here, you got your double car garage, your water heater there in the corner, and up here you have your AC system outside in the garage, so there's no noise inside. Okay, now let's go ahead and take a look at the rooms. Okay, let's take this room first. It's bedroom number 1, let's call it. You have plenty of closet space here. Okay, and the room, as you can see, is a really nice size. You have a view of the canal outside. And you also have a bathroom in here. So let's go take a look at the bathroom. Nice shower over here with your towel closet there in the corner. Very nice. If you have any guests that won't coming to stay with you guys, they will love this room because they have the view and they got their own bathroom. That's pretty cool. Okay, now let's go ahead and take a look at the guest bathroom. There's a Jack and Jill bathroom. Okay, you guys access to that room there. And you have your bathtub and shower head over here. Okay, but I'm gonna go out this way, go out the other way. Okay, now we're bedroom number 2. Also, you got plenty of closet, nice size, and like I said before, you have the bathroom entrance through this side. The house is tiled throughout except in the bedrooms. Okay, now let's go ahead and take a look at the master bedroom. I really like this floor. It's beautiful. Okay, this is the master bedroom. As you can see, very high ceilings. Let me move around so you can visualize the size. Sometimes the lens doesn't give you the right angle here so you can see. You see, you also got a slider that leads to the pool. Okay, now let's go ahead and take a look at the master bathroom. Very nice big vanity with double sinks. There you got your tub jacuzzi. Over here you got your shower. And then over here you got your toilet closet. And last but not least, you have your very nice closet here. Okay, so now let's go ahead and take a look at your paradise outside. That's where most of the people spend their time here when they live here in Florida, especially in the winter months when it's not hot and you can enjoy the nice heated pool. Okay, out here, as you can see, you got plenty of space. This home is actually facing, the backyard is actually facing east. So during the afternoons, it's very, there's no sun here, so you could actually stay away from it a little bit. Remember Florida, it's very hot and you got enough sun here. Probably right now, what time is it? It's 12 o'clock and you got full sun all throughout the pool. So, or like at 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, depending on the time of the year, you will have the sun because the sun actually comes from the east, but it moves around a little bit. But let's check out this pool closer. It's beautiful. Has some very nice cascade over here. Very different shape. And over here they have the sign, "Welcome to Paradise." That's what Florida it's all about here. Now let's go ahead and go outside and take a look at the canal. This is very close to the river, so it's actually very close to go outside. I think it only has one bridge for you to go outside, and it's very close from here. So, in top of the house is really nice, big size. You have all this yard out here. Let me go around here so you can visualize it from the side. It's fenced in. Check it out. Beautiful day today. Temperature right now is probably 92, 93. There's a nice dock here. Beautiful grass. The grass is very well maintained. So you can see almost everybody has a pool. And over here on this side, You have your water filtration system and your heater for the pool. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Okay, and remember, if you're thinking about moving to Southwest Florida, Cape Coral, Fort Myers area, my wife and I have been selling real estate here in Southwest Florida, Cape Coral, Fort Myers for over 20 years. And if you have a question on this home or any home out there, feel free to contact us at 239-410-7372. Okay, and if you're new to my channel, feel free to hit the subscribe button, and I'll keep you in touch with any homes that come available here in this area. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.